Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling log mouse traps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Reusable Mouse Catching Kit. If the best rolling log mousetrap is what you desire, this piece by Reusable should be perfect. It's perfect for people who want to eliminate mice, rats, and other rodents. Also, it targets users who don't like a messy situation or spending too much time, effort, or money. The rolling unit is very simple in design as well as operation. It works by attracting the mouse and then when it steps on the unit, it rolls and the victim drops into the bucket. We love this unit because of the nice design and mechanism. It will handle small, medium as well as large mice pretty well. What's more, the accessory is built tough to endure the use. Therefore, you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Moreover, it contains no chemicals or compounds that may harm you, other people, or the environment. This makes it safe for use in the home, around kids and pets, office, and other places. The installation takes minutes and it doesn't require any extra items. Other than just mice and rats, the multi-purpose unit also works on chipmunks and small rodents. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rolling Mouse Trap. Getting rid of rodents, such as mice and rats, can be made easier. Also, it doesn't need to involve inhumane methods that may leave a bloody mess or decapitation. With this rolling log trap, you'll be able to easily trap the nuisances but keep the surrounding safe. It's among the top choices in the market and works quite well. The device is effective in small as well as large mice and rats. Besides, it's also ideal for other small rodents, including chipmunks. You can place it indoors as well as outdoors. And thanks to its compact size and lightweight, you won't have a hard time carrying the accessory. It's very safe for the user, other people, pets, and the environment too. This is because it has no harmful chemicals. What's more, it is very hygienic and easy to clean. The rolling stick moves freely for maximum effect. Also, it's sturdy and will bear the weight of the mouse. It requires no power or run since it relies on gravity. Therefore, you can use it anywhere and won't worry about power consumption or energy bills. At number 3, we have the Rolling Mouse Catch Kit with accessories. Rolling Mouse Catch Kit by My Casa will help you get rid of rats, mice, as well as other rodents. It comes in a basic style that makes setup and uses simple and easy. You don't require great skills to set up and operate. It's very basic and you also get simple directions to guide you. It takes little effort and time to complete the installation. Besides, the flexible item functions okay in several situations both indoors and outdoors. It's also constructed from safe materials that don't consist of any toxic substances. This will keep you, your household as well as other people secure. It's also safe for animals as well as the environment. The system rolls smoothly to boost the likelihood of the mouse or rat dropping inside the container. What's more, it has a great length and size to deal with most rats out there. Thanks to its design, you will not worry about eliminating the mouse in a savage manner. Moreover, it will not leave a mess because the rat falls inside the bucket. At number 2, we have the original Rolling Log Mouse Trap. This product is what you are after if you want the best rolling logs mousetrap. It's ideal for people who wish to get rid of mice, rats, and other rodents in a less savage manner. Additionally, it targets individuals looking for a cost-effective option. The rolling unit is very simple in design and this simplifies the operation. We love this system due to the great design and reliability. It handles small and medium-sized mice quite well. What's more, the accessory is built hard to withstand the use. It contains no chemicals or compounds that might cause harm to you, other individuals, or the environment. This makes it safe for usage in the home, around kids as well as pets. The installation takes minutes and it does not call for any kind of additional products. Other than mice and rats, the device likewise deals with chipmunks and more. And finally at number 1, we have the lightweight rolling mouse trap. Eliminating rats such as mice and rats are made easier with the PAWMATE rolling mouse trap. It conveniently catches the nuisances but doesn't dirty the surrounding. It's amongst the top choices out there and is very practical. The device works with mice and rats of different sizes. You can put it inside your home as well as outdoors. And thanks to its small dimension and also lightweight, you won't have a tough time moving around with the accessory. It's extremely risk-free for the people, pets as well as the environment too. This is because it has no harmful compounds and you also don't need any chemicals to lure the rodents. It is very sanitary and also easy to clean. Besides, it rolls freely for maximum effect and is also very durable. It needs no power, and thus you can use it anywhere. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.